guys, welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit. This is Nicole Andrews, and we have our 30 days to get sexy abs. We are on day 26. 4 more days, guys, that's it. You're doing so good. Woo! So, if it's the first day of the year for you, which it is for me, we are thinking about what we want for this coming year. We want to be strong, stable, solid. And what does that remind you of? Planks. That's right. So we're going to walk the plank today for 6 minutes, guys. My trusty timer is not here. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to start with, we'll do a combination of tables and planks. So start with your table here. And we're going to make sure that we're set up straight. So make sure that your hands are under your shoulders and that your knees are under your hips. And just tuck your toes, push into the balls of your feet. Suck your navel to your spine, engage your core as you just float those knees up just about 2 inches. And we're going to start tapping here. So we're going to do our taps while we're sucking it in. And this is warming up our core for the next exercise. So the next exercise is going to be squatting and hopping if you're level 2. I'll show you the levels. So we have 10 more seconds here, guys. Just keep pulsing and floating and tapping those knees, engaging the core, pushing through the palms. Exhale on exertion, good. So now, this next one, we're going into side to side. So come into plank, but it's okay to have your butt a little higher because what we're gonna do is bend our knees, bring your chest to your thighs, and then jump up to the side. And if you're on level 1, basically just step up and you're engaging that oblique. So we're gonna switch sides. If you're at level 1, you're just stepping up, step back to plank. Step up to the side of your wrist, step back to plank. Other side, okay? And if you're at level 2, keep going. You just go from side to side and keep that going. And it doesn't hurt to just keep stepping, especially if you don't want that impact. And you can feel it just as much if you just walk it up. Good. Couple more seconds. And rest. Okay, so the next exercise we have is we're doing plank and wide feet. So you can come onto your forearms for this. So elbows under your shoulders. You want to make a fist with your hands. Take your feet out wide, and we're going to step it in and step it out. So we're making a V with our feet and our feet only. So it goes out, in, and then if you want to switch to the other side to keep your brain occupied, that might be like a good mind game while your abs are screaming, if you want to do that. Or if you just lose track, that's fine. And just tap it out and in, like I'm doing. 10 more seconds, guys. You're doing so good. Keep that butt down. Keep that core engaged. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Good, rest. Next one is going to be a plank here. You're going to come onto your hands, wide feet still, and just go into shoulder taps. Make sure you suck your core up and in first. Really engage as you tap the opposite shoulder with the opposite fingertips, making sure that those hips do not sway side to side, because if they do, then either spread your feet apart a little more for some stability or engage that core. Suck it in. Make it strong. We got 5 seconds here, guys. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next exercise, Starfish Hold. Okay, so we're doing 10 seconds hold on one side, 10 seconds hold on the other side. So wide feet again, about mat distance apart, hands under your shoulders, and opposite arm, opposite leg goes up. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. If you have to rest in between, that's okay, or take it down and up. Other side, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now that one is killer, I know. But that was awesome. I know you guys did great. So from here, we're going into soldier crawls. We have almost 2 minutes left, and you're going on your forearms. Come to the back of the mat and get your knees, again, just floating like you're in floating table. And you're gonna crawl to the front of your mat like you're crawling under a bush. And then you crawl backwards to the back of your mat, engaging your core. This is kind of shoulders and core when we talk about planks and bridges and other exercises. And don't worry about what it looks like. It doesn't matter. What matters is you're not gonna get shot. Just kidding. That's why they call them soldier crawls. That was a joke. Maybe not apropos of time, but keep it going. We got 5 seconds. Go, go, go. Get under that barbed wire and relax. Woo! Some of you guys are rather good at those out there. Just kidding. So, what we're gonna do now is our bonus exercise for this last minute here. Forearm plank side rolls. Looks a little bit like this. So come onto your forearms, and that opposite hand comes behind your head. So you're rolling on the sides of your feet. And now we're gonna roll back, immediately come to the other side, and the sides of your feet on the other side. Hand comes behind the head. So back down, and then opposite hand to the outside of your head. And just roll back into plank and roll back to the other side. All the while keeping your engagement strong in the core. Back to the balls of the feet, back to the sides. And if you want to extend that arm, you can. Level 3, guys. You can always take that up for a little pulse there. We have 15 seconds left. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Doing so good. And other side. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shoulders and abs today, guys. You're welcome. Have an amazing day. We only have 4 more days. Wow, so put your requests in. What do you want to see more of? If I didn't get to it, we'll do it. So have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.